Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is January 4th, 2017. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a company I'm going to talk about today is a company you all know pretty well. It's called Colgate-Palmolive. And you know they make everything from toothpaste to soap and dish detergent and various other consumer staple products. Now, this company right here, if you take a look at the daily chart, has really come down quite a bit in December, put a little bit of a low in here. Now you have this big thrusting red bar, and you're really just trading sideways. That tells me this stock still can go lower. It may take a little bit of time, but it still can go lower. But this is a company we would look to own a little bit lower from here on the cheap. And let me just show you what I'm looking at. If you take a look at Colgate and you notice where the last breakout pivot was, it was right here. And this is around $61.40. And that looks like what the chart is setting up to do, go down and test that level. But why do I like that level so much for a long play? It's just very, very simple. If you take a look here, well, you'll notice the volume in this candle is a weekly chart bar. This had 23.3 million shares. That tells me the institutions wanted this stock here, and they picked it up in earnest, and they bought a ton of it right there. Another reason why I like it also is because if you take a look at this red thrusting bar, which was also on high volume, that was on 22.1 million shares. This candle right here exceeded the volume and then broke out above it. That tells me that this is where the institutions want this stock again. So if you're going to look to get involved in Colgate like I am, what you want to do is look around the 61.50 level. You get this stock around 61.50. This is where we want to own this name, and we might own it for a long, long time as well. I've been working on some techniques that pick up lows and on charts, and this is one we probably can own for potentially 6, 7, maybe even a year. And the upside potential is all the way back to around $80 a share. So again, if you're going to look to get involved in this name, this is where you want to do it. Now remember, ever since bond yields started to move higher, consumer staple stocks have really been hit. They've been sold off. But there is going to become a point where these things will become a value play. And $61, $61.50 is where I would get in Colgate-Palmolive on the long side. And again, if you want to trade alongside of me, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of my chart setups. You'll get all of my cycle work. You'll get all of our content. And you'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcast, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We hold that on Thursdays and Sunday evenings. So again, if you're interested, this is what you want to do. Become part of that Research Center. You get all of this and more. So again, try that out. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody, keep Colgate on the radar. 61.50. That is our play in this stock. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.